That's all right. So it's 3 sub variant on 3 different 4900s, or?
Yes, sir. I got one 4900 per sub. It's wired at one on. And then for my battery, I got a 40 amp hour EH5 lithium.
Okay. Nice. Looks really good. Who built the box?
Actually, me and that guy right over there, Tony Tricoach.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, me and him pretty much done the whole truck.
What level are the subs?
These are the Resilient Sound Platinum series.
Okay.
2000 RMS.
Yep. Do you know your box tuning and your size of it?
Box tuning is 35 hertz, and it's around 9 cubic foot net, I believe.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I'd love to get a demo, man.
Yeah, no problem. Get some air going in there.
All right. Have you metered it at all?
Oh, I have. I actually metered today, and I did my highest score so far sealed, which was 154.1 sealed at 39 hertz.
That's pretty good. Sealed score and on. That's good, man.
Yeah, my highest kick score so far is 155.8.
For a no wall 3 sub variant, that's pretty good, man.
Yes, 350.
You happy with it?
Oh yeah, I'm real happy with it. I just gotta I want to get the box finished up painted because I hadn't painted the top or anything yet.
Okay. Do you know your what was your peak frequency?
Oh, 39 hertz.
39.
Yes, sir.
Under
that's
40.
That's sealed on the windshield and in the kick too.
Nice. All right. This looks good.
And that's only one alternator too. That's a Mechman 370.
370.
Yep, it's one. I'm about to do dual alts pretty soon. They'll probably do 2 370s or either a 370 320.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Well, thank you very much, man.
Yeah,
good to meet you. Is there a way I can see the alternator?
Yeah.
Awesome. I like to see everything. I like the doors.
The doors, I have a DeafBonce Apocalypse series 6.5 and then a DD Audio D1 tweeter. Okay. And back doors, I have the Rockford Fosgate Punch 6.5. I still have the factory covers on them, so you can't see it.
All right. You're tearing this thing up. Everything.
Yeah.
Have you done roof work yet?
No roof work. No.
Wow. So you can.
The only work that I've done is I put a piece of 3/4 inch MDF wood on the back patch.
Yep.
At the bottom, and I put some spray foam into that too.
Oh wow. Okay. Go ahead. Nice. Nice job, man. Thank you very much.
No problem.
good job.
Yeah,
For a no-wall build, pretty impressive, doing mid-50s sealed almost. I mean, not many people do that in this kind of size enclosure space, you know, so you did a really good, and you have your back seats if you need.
Yeah, oh yeah, I can let the back seats up.
Yes, sir.
I just got them down because normally whenever I meter, it helps the score out a little bit, letting the back seats down.
And you can display your amp rack so you can see what you got. Very nice, man. And these are at 1-0, not even at wired down, so, and your voltage was solid. No, it didn't really drop too much.
I'm 14.6 now, 14.7.
That's really good, man.